Hello students, in this video we will discuss about surface area and volumes, which is this is the chapter of 10th class maths NCERT. Now surface area and volumes means in this chapter we will study about some special type of figures like cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, and frustum also. But in this chapter we never study about surface area and volume or any particular shape. We will study in this chapter two or more figures combined, and we will discuss about what will be the surface area and volumes of the given figures, combination of given figures. Now in this chapter we will study about the figures as follows: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere, and frustum. These are mainly figures in which two or more figures comes together, and question arises on the basis of that, like what is the surface area or what is the volume of given combined figures. Now this is so important: what is the volume of cube, what is the surface area of cube, and etc. Since volume, I write here volume of all figures, right here CSA of all figures, and here TSA of all figures. Since volume of cube, this is equal to A cube, while surface area, curved surface area, that is only left the top and bottom, then this will be 4A square, while TSA of the cube is 6A square. Cuboid, volume of cuboid is L into B into H, where length L is the length, B is the width, and H is the height, while CSA is L plus B into H, and TSA means LB plus BH plus HL. Cylinder, what is the volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder is 1 by 3 pi r square h. CSA of cylinder will be 2 pi r h, and TSA of cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h, where r is the radius of base of cylinder and h is the height of base of cylinder. Cone, volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Surface area of the cylinder is pi RL, where L is the slant height, and we can find L square equal to H square plus R square, and TSA is the pi R into R plus L, pi R into R plus L. Now volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, while CSA of the sphere will be 2 pi r square, and TSA of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Volume of hemisphere means 2 upon 3 pi r cube, while CSA and TSA of the hemisphere both are same, so this will be 2 pi r square. So CSA and TSA of hemisphere is not same. CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, while TSA of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Now since this is wrong, CSA and TSA of the hemisphere both are same, and this will be equal to 4 pi r square and 4 pi r square. Now volume of frustum. Frustum is very special figure, special shape. If we cut by any plane to a cone, then this type of figure, that means this is a cone and cut by a plane from here, then this lower part of this cone like this is known as frustum, and every frustum has two radius. First is R1 and second is R2. Now how to find the frustum, volume of frustum? Volume of frustum is 1 by 3 pi h into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2, while CSA of frustum is pi L into R1 plus R2, pi L into R1 plus R2, and TSA of frustum will be pi L R1 plus R2 plus pi R1 square plus pi R2 square, where in both situations L equal to root under h square plus R1 minus R2 whole square, where L is the slant height and R1 R2 are the radii of both faces, and h is the height of frustum. But in this chapter we never study to the any particular figure. Two or more figure comes together, then question will be arising on the situations. What is the surface area of that combined figure? What is the volume of that combined figure, etc. Now in the next video we will take some numerical problem.